is the story.
Okay.
What is this?
It's a video.
About the walking toes.
Oh, a different video. I see.
Yeah.
See, we're making faces in the
This
background.
is serious. Walking toes.
So I'm taking a video of a video.
There's a footless monster that just sheds big toes. It's really
A
cool.
footless monster. that
Okay,
sheds
watch
its
the
toes.
background.
When people walk around, they think that they're like blueberries, and people eat them. And everyone's getting this really bad fungus everywhere.
Look,
And all of a sudden,
it's okay.
it took away.
Hey, Hans.
Watch Sage.
The fungus ate this person's
Sorry.
face.
You're not watching Sage.
I am watching
Know how to
Sage.
handle this? So they evacuated the whole town, and the monster walked everywhere. It was really bad. Like,
It's out.
They just,
they caught the monster.
Marshmallow, so bad.
oh no! The monster
That's
got
funny.
it. Yeah. Hi. Hi to you too.
You guys.
Where'd you go? Record another video.
Wilbur, what you got? Oh, Wilbur's gonna cook another marshmallow. Hey, Wilbur. Wilby. Did somebody take over your banana hammock? It's only temporary though, right?
It's okay.
Okay, so Wilbur, you're sharing your famous marshmallow roasting skills. Uh-oh, on fire. That just eliminated it from being in the master class.
Yeah.
You just like lighting them on fire, I think. You gonna eat that?
No, I'm not. No, I'm gonna.
No.
Whenever it's bad,
Well, don't be wasting them. That's food, dude.
I'm not trying to waste them. I'm trying to make good ones.
All right. What'd you do with the chalice of power?
Huh?
What did you do with the chalice of power?
Oh, that?
Yeah.
What I do? I gave it to you.
What? Oh yeah, here it is. You are absolutely correct. The chalice of power. Look into the chalice of power. Good job, Chase. Chase, any words for your mom tonight? Say hi, Mom.
Hi, Mom.
Say I love you.
Love you.
Say it's not been too bad here. Very good.